The sun just sneezed, Maya exclaimed as the sky turned a bizarre shade of green. Everyone in her small town stopped in their tracks, staring up at the heavens. It wasn't just a sneeze, it was a cosmic event that altered reality. Cars floated, animals began talking, and time itself seemed to blur. Maya's cat, Whiskers, looked at her and said, "We need to fix this." Without missing a beat, they sprinted to the old library in the town's center, where ancient books whispered secrets of the universe. With trembling hands, Maya found a spell to restore balance. She chanted the words, and the sky's green hue began to fade. The world slowly returned to normal, but Maya knew life would never be the same. She had glimpsed the universe's mysteries, and they had glimpsed her.